Vlogmas day 18. I found a yellow wool, so I thought I would use it. I am mainly sewing things today, doing gifts. I've just sent off my Secret Santa, yay! And I got my eyebrows done. And I might go get my fringe done because it is so long, and there's a hairdresser just around the corner that will do it. So I think I'm just going to go and pop in and do that. And then, yeah, today we will decorate the tree. See you in a bit. Okay, so just so you're aware, me and Mum are actually going to decorate the tree.
Yeah.
It's time for mince pies and blue cheese! Wait, I'm gonna turn down the telly. So, okay, I've put the telly on mute. I have to talk to you about something. So I'm really sorry that I have been absolutely appalling at replying to comments this Vlogmas. I don't think I've maybe managed to this whole time, and I'm so sorry. And I'm really aware of them and I read them, but I've just a chance to sit down and reply to comments just has not happened yet, but I will. And I know I'm being asked loads of questions. And one of the questions was, blue cheese on mince pies, is this a craving? So I just thought I would just like put this out there again, because I do every Vlogmas, that everyone that says and I was one of them, try it, because honestly blue cheese on mince pies is the most delicious thing. Stephen thought we were so weird when we were eating them, and then he tried it and now he can't have them any other way, and I've turned so many people. So try it and then tell me that you don't like it, and I won't believe you. But yes, I am just having a little tea time snack, which is lovely. Cup of tea and some mince pies with blue cheese, yes. And I'm sewing at the moment. I'm making something for Stephen. I'm just gonna like show you a little, I've been cutting out the PDF, so yeah. And the fabric, do you want to see it? It's amazing. He doesn't watch this, it's fine. It's fine. I really hope he doesn't. And he doesn't actually have any time. Look at the fabric. For those that don't know, Stephen is obsessed with sharks, so this is absolutely awesome. It's from Crafty So and So. They sent it so quickly because I saw it only a few days ago and it literally was there the next day. And it's beautiful and it's fleece backed, so I'm just doing a lovely sweater that I got a PDF for. There wasn't much choice, so I'm hoping this works well because I had to add seam allowance, which I'm not very good at doing. I just kind of like cut it out a bit bigger and use the other lines, but I did use a tape measure and I did check. But yes, so that's what I am doing at the moment. So yeah, all right, see you in a bit.
Okay, Hobbs, should we ask Gabby back in? Come on then. Go on, darling.
Like if no one else I've just been like standing in the bathroom like, hello. Is it my door?
It is your door. What day is it today?
It's the 18th. I'm feeling very big tonight. Oh, okay. It's oh, it's just because I didn't have any paper. I thought it was maybe a post thing. The other day, and
oh, hang on. So this is, yeah, this is very, very.
Is it crypto?
No, it's very crafty world appropriate.
Okay, nice, nice. All right. The other day, a knitter said, at night when I lay down my head to fall asleep, I don't count sheep. I just count stitches knitted instead. I think it might be under my pillow. And I think it's something to do with knitting. Oh, 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 oh. What about this pillow? Oh. Oh. Hobbs, is it under your head? Oh no,
He's not happy about that.
Grumbles.
You're coming over here to snuggle, Hobbs.
Well, that's confusing. Okay, so, right, come on, this room is not very big and you haven't left.
Well, hang on, focus on the clue. You're actually really close.
Oh, am I just, it's just, I haven't looked far enough. Well, it's a night when
Well,
I
it's
lay
not
down
like
my
Narnia. There's only so far you can look under your pillow. Okay.
Where? Okay.
So if it's not under your pillow.
Oh, inside the pillow. Yeah?
This is the level of help I normally get from Gabby.
Oh, yes, there it is. Oh, I know what they are. Oh, sorry, we're very squeaky there. Oh, how awesome are these? Oh, baby, they're absolutely gorgeous. They are, oh my gosh, what are they called? Stitch markers. Oh, they are absolutely brilliant. Look at these guys. So if I do that, it might be more in focus.
That's in focus. So what are you? What
Okay.
have they got?
They have got, oh, beautiful, little scissors.
Yeah, let's see if I can focus again on your hand. You got scissors?
Yarn. A ball of yarn with needles in, a button, a little jumper that's been knitted, and a tape measure. I absolutely love them. They're amazing. People are going to want to know where we got them from.
I think there's a label on there.
I think we can help you with that. Diana Shan Crafts, custom made paper flowers, jewellery and gifts. Diana Shan Crafts at outlook.com and facebook.com and etsy.com.
Yeah, these were bought off Etsy.
Oh, they were bought off Etsy. Oh, darling, they're absolutely brilliant. I love them so much. And I literally don't have any stitch markers apart from the funny ones that I made from the Harry Potter bracelet. So they are just perfect. They're going to go in my project now.
Awesome. Do you want to show them one more and I'll fade out?
Okay. Thank you, baby.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. I've got Mum again.
Hello.
So, and we've got both dogs up. Tig's very worried that we've got her up. And it is door 18 after you were acting. We've just been watching a programme about the cutest bears you've ever seen, and he is acting like a bear.
Oh my goodness me.
It was
Oh yes.
so cute. Okay, alright. Door 18. And hobbles. Took it out of my hand.
Oh, Tigger, you're going to behave better,
Yes,
aren't you?
you're going to be much better behaved.
There you go.
Yes, gold
Good
star. I can't believe that. Oh, we decorated the tree finally.
We did indeed. The tree is finally decorated.
And tomorrow we're off to central London.
Yes, we are. We're going to have a look at some lights, aren't we?
Yay!
Yes, in
So
London.
lots of Vlogmasing will
Yes,
happen.
yes.
So night everyone, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.